Good morning, everybody. It's December 19th. It's a Thursday. So, besides being Thursday, it's also a special day for us. Because it's somebody's gotcha day. Yep, 3 years ago today, we brought you home. Yeah, we did. You don't believe me? Oh, it's getting dark in here. Split. There we go. Yeah, it's gotcha day. It's gotcha day. It's either that or you're stuck with me for the rest of my life day. Right, Kona? 3 years ago today, we got you. We were just coming off of our Carnival Legend cruise with my parents and picked them up same day. And you got your Chewy box there. But yeah, it's hard to believe it's been 3 years already that we've had Kona. Time flies by too quick. But finishing up the vlog for Vlogmas. I'm only a couple days behind. Just the internet on the ship made things really tough. Trying to upload things. And plus we were having way too much fun. So I'm just playing catch up with everything. So bear with me. Alright, get everything situated here, go to work, and we'll see you later on.
8 hours later.
There we go. Alright guys, it's 5:30. Been home for about an hour. Actually, pretty much got the sneak peek vlog for our last sea day done, so that's up and running. Like I said, I've been a little behind with everything, so trying to catch up tonight. I know I said I was going to go bowling tonight, but I opted not to. Just between with everything, trying to play catch up besides Vlogmas, house stuff in general. The house looks like it's been hit by a tornado. So, I might get some of that done. Plus, my knee, I tweaked my knee the last time I went bowling, and it's still not 100%, which I talked in one of the Vlogmas a couple weeks back. It's still not 100%, so I'm going to take it easy on that. So, I'm going to catch stuff around here. I don't think we're going to do anything tonight. We do have to get more Christmas shopping done, but that might be tomorrow night. So, I think tonight would be a good stay at home since we've been going for last week, so I think it would be a good night to stay home and relax and somewhat relax. But I think I'm going to make stuffed shells tonight for dinner. I actually have a home cooked meal. First time I'm cooking in a week. So I probably should have that. Have something like that. So, alright. I'm going to get this done. Cook for the guys and myself and be back to check in with ya. And yes, I'm cheating. I'm doing pre-made stuffed shells. Alright, time to make the crack weenies. So I have 2 packages of the little smokies, 1 pound of bacon, and some dark brown sugar. And of course, you'll need toothpicks to hold everything together. I just have the weenies unwrapped there and put it in the bowl. Just makes it easier for me. Then get the bacon ready. And I actually cut the bacon into thirds. And then grab a toothpick, grab a weenie, a piece of bacon, wrap, and repeat. Then I sprinkled some brown sugar on top. I know in the vlog for yesterday, I thought there was butter, but there's not. So it's not as bad, I guess. Just waiting for the weenies to cool down. That sounds weird saying that, but anyway. Finally I got the wreath lit. It's not exactly the way I want it, but it'll do. It's less than a week to Christmas. It is what it is at this point. Got our lighted garland around our doorway. And the tree is lit up. And I still have ornaments out there. Just not enough time in the day. It just seems like this month has been so chaotic. Good and bad, but just like... But that is all, you guys. I'm going to take the dog out one more time and call it a night. But thank you guys so much, and we will see you in the next vlog.